Today is Sunday, August 8th. It is 12:48 Pacific Standard Time. That is 1:49 Mountain Standard Time. I am currently in Brigham City, Utah. And this is the story of the repairs I had finished 3 days ago. Thursday, August 5th is when I picked up my truck. The first thing I am going to show you is my AC system. That was freezing up, and I got repaired. I got it repaired because it was freezing up. And I will show my invoice later of the cost. As you can see, the airline is still frozen. And to show that I am not exaggerating, it's actual ice buildup. So right now you can't see it, but the condenser itself is completely frozen. Completely solid. It is literally a solid piece of ice. This seat is a brand new seat. Brand new. You can hear it grinding when it goes up, which it should not be doing. The seat itself is not even attached. And after sitting on it for a while,